Welcome to Under Pressure General Contracting, your premier choice for transformative home improvements in Kansas City and the surrounding areas. Kitchen remodeling. Your kitchen is the heart of the home and where you and your family spend most of your time. Under Pressure Property Services, Inc. specializes in kitchen remodels, bathroom remodeling. Are you ready to give your bathroom the facelift you deserve? Our design team and master craftspeople can make your bathroom dreams come true. Beyond kitchen and bathroom remodels, we offer a range of services including whole home remodeling, basement finishing, HVAC, and much more. Our licensed and skilled people ensure a seamless and stress-free experience. We proudly serve communities within a 30-mile radius of Kansas City, MO, including Overland Park, Leawood, Prairie Village, Olathe, Lenexa, and more. Call today to see if we serve your community. Let's get started today. Our licensed, insured, and certified team is dedicated to providing a pleasant remodeling experience. Why choose Under Pressure? We offer worry and stress-free home remodeling, trustworthy technicians, expert design advice, dedicated project managers, dependable results backed by our craftsmanship guarantee, transparent communication, and a customer portal for 24/7 access to project details. Ready to bring your vision to life? Contact us for a free estimate and personalized quote. Our skilled team specializes in clear communication, ensuring your project is stress-free from start to finish.